I'm gonna tell you all about a company called John Deere. John Deere is a US tractor company. Hello farmer, your livelihood depends on a machine that's worth 3 Lamborghinis. You're chillin'? Just chillin'. Boom! You know how to fix it. $500 field repair. Oh yeah. Hey, our technology is so advanced now that we gotta put computers in that will break your shit if you try to fix it. You, might do it wrong. Yeah. What in tarnation.jpg? I can take apart a tractor and put it back together blindfolded. I need the shit repaired now. These crops are gonna wilt. Send your shit to our dealer. A professional will repair it. Yep, this thing's gonna cost $10,000 to repair. Man, fuck you. I'm just gonna buy the part and repair it myself. Nah, we already went to the government for that. Contraband parts now. We also lied about providing schematics. At this point, we can fine or jail you for hacking our shit. Dude, it's my right to repair my shit. I own it. Hey, look who showed up. Apple. Yeah, we pretty much do the same thing with our computers. We're here to kill this bill.
Hey everybody, how's it going?
Computer geeks? The hell are you doing out here?
Yeah, I keep trying to get parts like a fucking CD3217 for this MacBook, and the Genius Bar drooled at me and is like, go buy a new computer! Yeah, I just need to solder this one chip and they're starting to sue us.
It is disgusting capitalist system who is abusing big government's power to take away my freedom.
Strangle the free market.
And overproduce to pollute the world, because fuck it. Money. It's a real thing that happened in Nebraska, by the way. Aw.